In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the seatbelt stopper on your Toyota Tacoma. This will be located on a seatbelt. Let's get started. Pull the seatbelt out. Give yourself a little extra room. We're going to use a forked tool to get under the tab. Pop the top of the clip, go on the other side, pull it out. You could use a flat blade screwdriver or even two of them to pop it up. Install the new tab, going through the same hole. Flip it over, install the back side, install it over the pin, push it down, clamp it together. Once we have the two pieces installed, we're going to use a pair of pliers and squeeze the two together to lock them down. Gently go around, squeezing this. We don't want to crack the plastic, we just need to get it to lock together. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.